Hello, are you looking for the perfect affiliate system? Well, I've got the perfect one for you today. It's called the 12-minute affiliate system. To be able to make a great passive income with plenty of upsells. This is Mike from your successful affiliate influencer. As I said at the beginning of my video, 12 minutes affiliate system. As I said, and it's also got plenty of upsells. But before we go any further, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, please, because this helps for other people to actually see my video and also to get the information out to anybody else. And that's a very good tip for yourself if you're doing videos, to get people to put a thumbs up, because the same thing will happen for you. This helps to get your videos noticed. Now, as I said, the 12-minute affiliate system. Plenty of upsells. If I look at my paperwork a minute, the first when a person logs on, first of all, the first offer they will get is only for $9.25. But here's the but. Whoops! I dropped my pen. Excuse me a minute. Sorry about that. You will get then 6 upsells, which will take you up to around $700 for the last upsell. So as I say, it's a brilliant system, and if you look, and now we will go over to this system and actually look at the actual product itself. Right, here we are in the 12 minute should I say, affiliate system. Here we go, as it says, who else wants to make a monthly recurring income and up to $398.50 per sale while promoting the product that actually helps the people who actually buy it. Here you will see there's a video here which will be an introduction to actually coming onto this program. It's a ClickBank program, which I no doubt a lot of you have actually heard about. As I say, if I click down through or scroll down through the actual website itself, if we come down through here, as you say, if you're already a member of ClickBank, you automatically get your affiliate link here. You also get your promotional tools here also. If you're not a member or part of ClickBank, it's free to join. So it's not as if that's going to cost you any money whatsoever. And it's very easy to sign up. When you sign up, you will be given an actual affiliate link, which you would then put into their link, and it will then give you the link that you require. Now then, as I say, it says if you don't have a ClickBank account, click one to get one here, which is easy enough. And we go down through is all the details, a simple plug and play activation as little as 12 minutes. You earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niches in the market. Build a huge email list quickly and easily. Follow your leads for months on complete autopilot. Promote your affiliate products with the click of a button, even on social media. Free for newbies and intermediate marketeers. And here, as we go down through here, as I said, you've got these 6 upsells. And here they are. Look, start at $9.95, then $39, then $67, $47, going through then to $97 a month, which is where people actually sign up and they belong to a program. Here then they can go up to $397 for a sale, because this is 50-50 and you get 50% commission. And then on the last one, you go up here to $797, which if you cut that in half, that's a large amount of money. But as I said, this is where you need to get to, because you're getting a monthly a fee. Here is a lifetime access, whoever signs up for you, lifetime access again. This one here, if I go back up here, is another monthly one. But first of all, they have to go through these two for actual first up sales. And the first one, which is starts at $9.95, is a 14-day trial. Now, you will find most people, when they go on these trials, you won't get 100% people actually carry on through it. You never do, no matter what affiliate system is when you're trying to make money online and get a passive income. But you will probably get about 5% people will actually stick with you. As I say, all you need to do for this program is you create your own affiliate link. Then, as you see, they've already got my affiliate link up here because I'm already promoting this program. So as you see, I've already got them, and you've got different affiliate links for different parts of the program also as well. You get promotional banners with this one as well. Also, as you see here, copy my $460 a day commission system in just 12 minutes. Learn more when you click the button, a 200 by 200 banner, or down here you get 250 by 250 banner. Go down again, 300 by 250 banner, and so on. And then you also got banner codes here to actually download all these banners. In fact, this top one here, you can actually gone past it now. This one here, you can actually use on your YouTube when you're actually promoting your YouTube channel also as well. So as I said, this is a very good system, which I do thoroughly recommend, and and I know when you go onto ClickBank, it's one of the top high earners on ClickBank at the moment. So it's not one that's so this is not a new program which has just come out. This is a program that's been going for some time, and there's a lot of people promoting this program, and as I say, I am also as well. So I do thoroughly recommend this program for you. As I said, and I've just shown you this 12-minute affiliate system. If you're a new beginner or a newbie to doing affiliate marketing, well, this is a very good one to start with. And also, as I said before, if you log on to ClickBank, which is free to use, and a lot of people do use ClickBank. As I say, all you need then is to get your affiliate link, and if you go to this particular one, which is under business and e-com, when you scroll down the side where it gives you all the different businesses for which you can actually sell, or which are all affiliate links. So I do thoroughly recommend this one. As I say, I just started to sell this one now, and it's a very high earning one for you to actually to actually start with. Also, if you look down below, I've got a free ebook down there below, which will give you an insight and to help you to start with if you've never done affiliate marketing, or if you want to make a passive income online. It will give you most of the basics you will need to use. So as I say, down below you will see my free ebook. Also, if you're looking for even more high-end ticket sales and you're not sure how to proceed doing these, there is also a program below my free ebook, which you receive to be a successful affiliate marketer. If you click onto that one, in that program, if you like to join that program, which is another one I do thoroughly recommend, you will get a coach and a mentor on that one to actually help you. There's 15 videos in this program which you go through, and these mentors or coach, whichever word you like to use, will actually help you and teach you how to become an affiliate marketer so that you can make a passive income and earn money online. So I do also thoroughly recommend that. But as I say, if you don't want to spend any money, which you would have to on that program to actually join it, then I say, or I thoroughly suggest that you join ClickBank, because there's many a program on there, but also this particular one, this 12-minute affiliate system, I think is probably one of the best systems that ClickBank has actually got on there, to be honest. And it's so easy for people, if you're trying to sell them this product, to actually join and actually be and actually become a person to actually earn you money online. Sorry, I got myself all mixed up there. But as I say, I do thoroughly recommend this. Now then, as I said at the beginning of my video, if you've not signed up to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below. Then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. And give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and also leave a comment down below, please, because it's good to know if people are actually taking notes of my videos, and if there's anything else, or even put on a comment there you want to know about something else, then I can actually do a video on that for you. Thanking you for listening to my video. This is Mike from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer.